Yo, what's up, guys? It's Matt.
It's Emily. So today, the long behold video that you guys have been waiting for, we are doing an Indian food mukbang.
Yeah.
We found an authentic spot for Indian food, and we got the most safe food that we could think of. So I'll tell you in a second what we got, but I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, a comment, and let us know down below what you guys think, and let's get this started. So I played it safe with what I usually see as mukbangs and stuff, just because it always looks good when you watch other people. So I got extra rice. I got 2 rices. I got butter chicken. I got butter naan, not garlic naan, because I'm allergic to garlic, so I can't have it.
Damn,
And I'm sorry if I say it wrong, but I got mango lassi. I don't know if that's the right way to say it, so my apologies. But let's dig in. So
I don't even know what to start with first. This is my first time eating Indian food.
This is my second time.
So
I'm gonna pour some rice on.
I'm gonna turn my rice around. Let me try the rice, by the way.
Rice is really good.
I've never seen rice like this, to be honest.
So it might be a little spicy for Matt, but I'm all for the spice. I got the lowest of spice, but Indian food is very spicy, so
I'm trying to get to the move your mango over there.
Oh wow, the chicken's really good. It's a little spicy. Don't overdo it, babe.
I know.
We're not gonna be able to finish this, but
I probably would.
Yeah, me, not so much.
This might be a little risky, but I'm gonna do it.
It's a little spicy.
That's fine.
You can handle it.
That sauce is good though.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yeah, that sauce is real good. I want more of that on my rice.
So we got butter naan. The butter naan is so good by itself, but
spice is there though. I feel it in my throat. I know it's a little bit of spice, but like,
naan is so good.
that shit is so good.
So dip some sauce. Wow, that's good.
Yeah, we did it.
So this is my second time trying it, but the first time I messed up.
That's good.
My ex-friend, she suggested for me not to get it too spicy, but I was like, oh, I can handle it, blah blah blah.
Did you get really spicy?
I got it too spicy.
Yeah.
And I got chicken tikka masala, and it was way too spicy for me, like way too spicy. So this time we got butter chicken because this is Matt's first time. Wow, you really like it, huh?
Yeah, I do.
And this is Matt's first time having it, and this is my first time having butter chicken, and it's really good. And I'm happy that he likes it, because he's a very, like, picky eater when it comes to, like, trying new foods.
I'm gonna try something.
Try the naan by itself first.
I did. Let's go.
It's good, right?
It's like garlic bread, but it's not garlic bread.
Well, they do have a garlic naan, but because I'm allergic,
Let me try this.
I can't have it.
See what I'm doing, babe? I have the butter chicken on it.
That's the right way to do it. There's a lot of rice. I got extra rice because I didn't know if the meal came with rice. So, that's that.
Oh, that's hitting. That's good.
The sauce is good. The chicken is good. I really like the naan. All right, let's dig into this lassi. So this is a mango lassi. Don't know what exactly is in it besides mango.
I'm really going to town on this thing right now.
Wow. Wow, that is delicious. That is refreshing.
What?
We're fine with sharing. That's tasty, right?
This is good. Hey, why you put it right down? I got your mouth stuff
Sorry.
too.
So, what is your guys' suggestion if we do get Indian food again? One of my friends suggests chicken biryani. I hope I'm saying that correctly. You're just taking all a second. That's fine.
I could literally eat this without the rice.
Yeah, it's tasty.
Yeah.
I need more rice.
This is mad good.
I honestly am surprised how much you like it. Because you are a very picky eater.
I'm not that picky.
But the spice is there, but me and Matt, I have a good spice intolerance. Like, I love spice.
I don't mind
But,
spice. You make it seem like I'm a little...
With Indian food, you have to play it safe because they use, like, very spicy stuff.
Of course, they're known for the spice.
My ex-friend, she was Indian. Trinidad and Guyanese at that. She told me, be careful with the spice. Because she grew up eating this type stuff. And...
Really going, oh, shit. Sorry.
Sorry, guys. Matt made a mess. So, yeah, well, back to what I was saying. She told me to be careful with the spice. So this time I played it safe. But
didn't you only put like 2? Didn't you only put the spice to 2?
Last time, yeah.
It was still hot.
Indian spices are very spicy. Very, very spicy. I should have got 1 rice. But I think Matt's good on his own with that rice. But I'm not
this
gonna...
rice is never ending.
I know.
There's so much in this little case. Like, I feel like I ate so much rice and it's still like not ending. This is really good though.
The chicken's really good.
I would literally get this again. Next time I'm getting garlic. I want to know what the garlic tastes like.
I was gonna get garlic naan, but last night I had an allergic reaction for some reason.
Yeah, you took a shower.
After I took a shower. And it was like all over me. I played it safe with the butter naan. Cause I don't know if they put fresh garlic or they put garlic powder, but
They probably put fresh garlic.
Yeah,
they probably put fresh garlic. I'll take all the chicken, baby. You don't mind me taking all the chicken, do you?
No.
Yeah, I'm taking all the
I like the chicken.
The sauce is really damn good. I'm surprised.
Well, you could tell your mom that you tried something new.
Yeah. This sauce is next level. My whole rice is literally full of chicken and sauce.
Look at that, guys. Gone. Almost gone. Right. I believe this is biryani rice. I'm not 100% sure. I can't call it. But it doesn't specify like what type of rice it is. We went out of our comfort zone today. We were going to get Dunkin' because we usually get Dunkin' on Fridays, but
We're like, let's do a mukbang video.
Let's do a mukbang.
And
Let's stop holding off on the Indian food.
yeah.
And I'm glad we're doing it for you guys, because something different.
Hope this doesn't make me go to the yard. Rubber sauces.
My sinuses are already acting up.
I feel fine. My mouth is hot, but I feel fine though.
No, what I mean by sinuses is like my nose from the spice.
No.
Guys, if you want to try something, try this. It's delicious. That's really good. There's so much rice. You want extra rice?
I guess.
You look like you're running out.
I might pull.
I think I'm good right here with mine.
I think I'm gonna pick up this container and pour all the sauce on top of it.
The chicken was really good.
You some more sauce?
That's good. I mean, careful now.
I know.
He going to town.
I'm surprised how good this is. Yeah.
That's why you're
It's
trying
now
to
it's
think.
fully going.
You ain't gonna eat all that? I'm already getting full. It's definitely messy. I have like rice on my...
If there wasn't so much rice in here, I would close this lid and shake it.
Yeah.
Then it'll be full, then it'll be everywhere.
I'm honestly surprised how much he likes it. It makes me happy. Because he is a big picky eater.
I'm not that picky.
You are picky.
No, I'm not.
You are.
I'm not that picky.
Naan is so good.
When it comes down to vegetables, yeah, I'm picky about that.
You want some?
Huh? No. No matter how much my mouth is hot, this is never.
So what would you rate the butter chicken?
Oh, that's a 10.
I'm gonna give it a... Because it is a little spicy for me. I don't think you should have drenched them.
Nah, I'll be fine.
I'm
I'm
gonna give...
I'm gonna get major heartburn from this.
I got gas X. I would give this a solid 8. The butter chicken.
8?
I'm getting full. The mango lassi, a 10. Really delicious. Naan, 10. I do like the butter chicken. It's very different for me, like spice-wise. But it's really good.
Oh, shit.
Slow down, babe.
It's mad good, I'm sorry. I don't care how hot you are.
What would you rate the mango lassi?
We'll give it 7.5.
7.5? I think it's really good. I'm definitely tasting a hint of coconut. I know there's mango in here, which I love mango. The naan's good, right? What would you rate the naan?
That's a 10. No. Man. I'll give it a 9. But I do want to still try the garlic one.
The garlic one's very popular. And I was going to get samosas. But I was like, let's just see how we feel with this, and then next time we'll get new stuff. Like, I really want to try the chicken biryani that my friend suggested. He's always raving over it. So I want to try it. He's going to be so proud of us. We tried his culture of food. You know who I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's like perfectly toasted too. Dang. What do you think of the rice? The rice is really good.
Yep. The rice went to the wrong hole.
You mean pipe, not hole?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
He took like half the chicken, didn't even give me a chance. I probably had like 3-4 chickens out of that.
Oh. I didn't even drink nothing. That's how good it was.
Yeah. When he likes something, he won't drink anything. He won't talk. What would you rate the rice?
Rice is a 9.5.
Yeah, the rice is a 9.
Different.
Yeah. I'm glad you liked that. We really thought we were going to waste it, to be honest.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
Just because we didn't know if... I didn't know if he was going to like it. I didn't know if I was going to like it. Because it's different. It's a different culture of food. We're the type of people to eat, like, different types of food. But Indian, we've never really eaten before. So, I'm glad you liked it, though. And it's different types of spices. Like, I know they use cumin, curry, things like that.
I'm surprised how much I killed this.
I'm full.
I was the only one that destroyed the whole
Yeah. I really thought there was going to be leftover.
No, not with me. There's gonna be leftovers when I'm around.
You want some?
No, I can't anymore. It's good, don't get me wrong. It's just not really this mango. Oh.
It's so refreshing.
Oh, God.
I don't know.
Whew. Okay.
I'm trying to figure out, besides the mango, I'm definitely getting different vibes from this drink.
I'll be honest, I expected like less from this, but now when skyrocket, that was good. That was really good. I enjoyed that.
I'm glad.
I'm full like crazy right now.
Oh, me too. And I barely ate.
Now I gotta burn some fat later.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
So, guys, we hope you guys enjoyed our Indian food mukbang.
Yeah.
Highly recommend, if you want to try it for the first time, try the butter chicken or chicken tikka masala. Chicken tikka masala is not my preference, but butter chicken for sure. Get garlic naan or butter naan. And definitely try this drink because it is
And also, just be careful.
fire.
Just be careful with the spice.
Spice level.
You don't know, like even if you put it to 2, like she did last time, it was hot as hell.
Yeah. If you go physically to the place, ask the owners what would be your recommended spice for a person that doesn't like spice. But if you like spice, then definitely go for it. But
What's the max of spice?
I think on this one it was like a 6.
The max of spice is 6?
Yeah, which is like, I forgot what they write on it, but it's spicy.
Basically saying be careful.
Yeah. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and let us know down below what you guys order from your Indian orders. If you guys haven't ever had Indian food, this was a successful video. I'm glad that Matt liked it.
I killed this entire
Yeah,
order.
like not even a chance. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you guys in our next video.